Hi everyone, now we are going to discuss about Gregor Mendel monohybridal crossbreed. Gregor Mendel, especially he chosen one plant, the plant name is what? Pisau sativum. Pisau sativum. Pisau sativum, nothing but we can call garden plant. Garden pea plant. Nothing but we can call general name garden pea plant. He selected one plant, he observed, first of all, he observed one characteristics of that plant. He observed, that means Gregor Mendel observed only one characteristics. He crossbreeded the plant, he observed the characteristics, what they are showing in every generation. So that in monohybridal crossbreed, he selected one plant, that plant name is Pisau sativum, scientific name, that is general name we can call garden plant. In that, he observed only one characteristic, so that it is called mono. Mono means single hybridal crossbreed. He selected only one trait or one characteristic, he observed that characteristic only. For example, he took what? Two pure breeds. One is pure tall plant. Another one is pure dwarf plant. He took what? Pure dwarf plant. Here both are pure breeds. Why I am called these are pure breeds? Pure breeds. Both are pure breeds. He selected to observe monohybridal experiment. He chosen which type of plant? Which are pure breed. Pure breed, nothing but in every generation they are showing same type of characteristic. For example, same type of feature. For example, in parents they are showing in F1 generation they are tall in size. In F1 generation also tall in size. The plants are tall in size. Plants are any organism. For example only, this is for F2 generation, in all the generation they are in tall in size. So that type of animals or plants we can call pure breeds. Here he selected two pure breeds. One is purely tall, another one is purely dwarf. Dwarf means what? Small plants. These are the pure breeds he selected. Tall plants we are showing the capital T, small plants, small t. These are the factors of the gamete. What we call factors. Factors of gamete. Okay, in that what are the factors is there? T, small t. These are the factors of gamete. Okay, it is work especially for in that any factor is what exhibits in F1 generation. Okay, here he selected in F1 generation, he selected parent generation. We can call these are parent generation. Two pure breeds. So the parent generation we are showing P generation. P generation he took what? Pure breeds. Okay, capital T or small t. The totally pure tall plant and pure dwarf plant is selected. And he collected pollen grains from tall plant and he dusted the pollen grains into the dwarf plant. He took some precautions. Okay, he took some precaution. Here we covered the flower with what? Cover. Why? Because to avoid self pollination, he covers whatever flower is dusted. Whatever flower he dusted, what? Pollen grains, it is covered with what? He covered with what? Cover. Why? Because to avoid self pollination. Okay, here what happened in F1 generation? He observed that he took one pure breed, he crossbreeded. In that F1 generation, he observed capital T, small t. In F1 generation, he observed all plants are okay. This is tall. Tall is the dominant character. Whatever characteristic is exhibited in F1 generation, that is we can call dominant character. Here he observed in F1 generation. What is the meaning of F1 generation? F1 generation means first generation or first filial. First generation or first filial. Okay, first filial. Here, that means in F1 generation, all are tall plants only. He got all in tall plants. This is tall, tall is dominant, tall is dominant, tall is dominant, dominant. So that he got in F1 generation, all are tall plants. In F1 generation, all are tall plants. That means tall is a dominant character. He got tall is a dominant character. What is the meaning of dominant character? Okay, after crossbreeding the parents, whatever he got in F1 generation, whatever characteristics exhibits in F1 generation, that is we can call dominant character. It dominates. Okay, so that is dominant character. Whatever exhibits in F1 generation, that is dominant character. Again, he got what? Especially for heterozygous plants. He took what? Homozygous plant. Homozygous, these are two are homozygous. Homozygous means what? Whatever allele or whatever traits is there, both are same. Capital T, capital T. That means pure breeds. Homozygous means what? That is pure breeds. But in the F1 generation, we got heterozygous plants. Heterozygous plants having what? Both characters. That is what? Both parents' characters. So that he got F1 generation capital T, small t, and capital T, small t. And what he did again, crossbreeded between them. In that, what are the factors is there? Capital T, small t, capital T, and small t. And what he did again, crossbreeded between whatever got in F1 generation, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, crossbreeded like this, capital T, capital T, small t, and capital T is the dominant character, capital T, small t, small t. This is what in F2 generation. F2 generation means what? Next generation. That means after F1 generation, F2 generation. Second generation, and also called second generation. In second generation, he got 1, 2, 3 plants are what? 3 plants are tall, and only 1 plant is what? Dwarf. In that he got 3 plants are tall and 1 plant is what? Dwarf. Dwarf plant he got. That means this is phenotypic ratio. This is what? Phenotypic ratio. Whatever exhibit phenotypic. Phenotypic means what? Whatever exhibits in outside, that is phenotypic ratio. In monohybridal crossbreed, he got 3:1 ratio plants. In that 75% he got the tall plants, 75% tall plants, and 25% dwarf plants. He got 25% dwarf plant. That is we are shown in 3:1. Okay, that is the ratio we can call 75:25. Nothing but 3:1. This is what? Phenotypic. What is phenotypic? Whatever exhibits in outside, that is phenotypic ratio. And what is genotypic ratio? The genotypic ratio, if you observe this board, one pure breed, which is pure breed, the tall, okay, 1:, and other one, both are heterozygous. One is homozygous, other both are heterozygous. So that 1:, 2:, and another one that is also homozygous, pure dwarf. That is 1:, 2:1. That means xenotypic. What is xenotypic? The character, whatever recessive character is there, that is what inside the plants, what type of genes is there? That is, one are pure breeds, one tall pure breed, other one dwarf pure breed. 2 plants are what? Especially heterozygous plants. The ratio, genotypic ratio is 1:, 2:1. Phenotypic, whatever exhibits in outside, that is phenotypic, 3 tall plants and 1 dwarf plant. In that 3 tall plants, 1 plant is what? homozygous, other two are heterozygous, other one is homozygous. So that genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Okay, he observed 75% of plants are what tall, only 25% of plants are dwarf. Here the tall is what especially for dominant character. Other one is whatever dwarf is recessive, whatever under inside the character. Okay, it is not exhibit. Okay, dominant always exhibits in F1 generation whatever character is there, that is dominant character. Okay, this is Gregor Mendel monohybridal crossbreed. Okay, just first of all, monohybridal Gregor Mendel selected two pure breeds. Pure breeds means both are homozygous plants. That means these plants always showing same type of characteristic. For example, tall plants in all generations they are showing tall only. So that is we can call pure breeds or homozygous plants. Here he took what two varieties of homozygous. He crossbreeded between them. He got in F1 generation all are tall plants. All are tall plants only he got. Again he selected whatever plants he got in F1 generation, he selected that plants and he crossbreeded between them. He observed that in the three plants are tall and the 3:1 ratio. That means 75% of plants are tall and 25% of plants are dwarf. So that he is told that whatever he got the ratio 3:1 ratio, that is phenotypic ratio. That means 3% of plants are tall plants, 1% of plants are dwarf. In that 3% of plants, which are pure breeds, 1% is pure breed and 2% is what heterozygous, 1% is homozygous and another 1% is homozygous. So that is the genotypic ratio. Okay, that is 1:2:1. That is genotypic ratio. Phenotypic, that means whatever exhibits in outside characteristic, that is we can call phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio is 3:1. This is Gregor Mendel monohybridal crossbreed.